remember one time, my bag and my shoes got wet during a rain, and I felt guilty because my brother had to stay at home and because I have to use his shoes so I can go to school. I am Althea, one of the beneficiary of Upskills Plus Foundation and one of the luckiest scholar at International School Manila with the help of Miss Jane Walker. I have a mother who's the only one working for my family, and I'm grateful for Upskills for providing my school supplies, bags, and shoes, and also uniforms because they are vital to my academic journey. My mother is the only one working in our family, and her salary is not sufficient to provide for the family, and she has to prioritize my sister's medicine. I have to reuse my old school uniforms because my mom can't afford to buy the new ones, and as a scholar, it's really hard to focus on school because I don't have enough school supplies. That is why I'm very grateful for Upskills Plus Foundation for providing everything that we need for my school. And with that, I would be very grateful if you can donate or help Upskills Plus Foundation for this wonderful cause. And from the bottom of my heart, thank you very much.
Malaking tulong sa amin na mga ganitong kalagayan na walang mga nagsusuporta at malayo sa mga anak, wala din akong trabaho at matanda na. Ako po si Lunita Calisa, nakatira po dito sa Roma. Sa kalagayan kong ito, ako lamang nag-iisa kasi ayaw kong doon tumira sa Naik. Nandoon yung panganay ko. Hindi katulad dito na mayroong foundation na pinagsasali-salihan ko na may sakit ako, malaking tulong sa akin. Lagi akong nagpapacheck up doon. At ang lahat, libre sa amin yun. Hanggang sa mga gamot po, libre kami lahat dyan. Katulad ditong goiter ko, lagi akong magpapacheck up doon. Napakalaking tulong po ang clinic sa amin. Dahil kung ano man ang nararamdaman namin, nagpapacheck up agad kami sa kanila.
Ako lang nagsusuporta sa sarili ko. Kung may sakit ako ang kumikilos. Wala nang suporta sa akin, hindi sarili ko lang. Ako po si Clarita Raya na naghihirap habang tumatagal. Wala na akong lasap na masarap na buhay kundi puro hirap. Nangunguha ako ng basura, mumulot ako ng plastic, dyaryo, karton, para lang makain kami sa pang-araw-araw. Dahil may mga anak naman ako, wala naman sa akin, niwalay sila sa akin. Mag-aalang taon na ako sa divisoria na mamasura, kaya doon ang nakuha yung sakit ko. Ngayon na kilala ko na yung upskill, pumunta ako doon, lupay-pay na ako. Naakay-akay na nga nila ako dahil kapayat-payat ko na. Ngayon, inano ako, nagpa-check up ako doon. Ayun, ang timbang ko lang 27. Kinuha nila ako nga, ipeding na lang nila ako. Hindi na ako namumulima dahil may pagkain ako. Kaya laki talaga na pasalamat ko sa upskill dahil malaking tulong nila sa akin. At dyan ako masaya, dyan ako gumaling, kahit papano, kayang-kaya ko na sarili ko. Dahil ang kahirap-hirap talaga ng buhay ko rito. Sana ipagpatuloy nila yung feeding para ako naman ay hindi ako magugutuman, lalo sa mga sponsor. Maraming salamat sa inyo.
Hi, my name is Jane Walker. I'm the CEO and founder of the Purple Community Fund, which is our UK registered charity, and also Upskills Plus Foundation, which is our registered charity here in the Philippines. Our work first started with children, child workers. We employed social workers to assess who among those was the most vulnerable, and they were enrolled into our school. And our social workers have continued to be at the forefront of all of the work that we do. They assess every family and they signpost them to the various different programs that we have. We work in a holistic integrated service plan, which means all of our programs are joined up from education through to health, nutrition, livelihood and community development services, and even disaster relief when typhoons and fire occur. So our health programs are run by 2 doctors, a midwife and a nurse. They run clinic in our centres, and they also take their clinics to the remote areas, to the resettlement areas where the government has relocated families and they don't have easily access to healthcare. Our nutrition programs are open for the wider community as well as for our own students. We provide meals for the elderly, as well as malnourished children, and also for food packs for our students. Our education programs start really from preschool and run all the way through into college and employment-ready classes, life skill classes, preparing them for their future employment. And our livelihood and community development services, they're really geared at working with the parents, because the parents often don't have enough income to support themselves and will be looking to their children when they have employment to provide for them. So we find by being able to upskill the parents, then that also gives them a sustainable income as well. And we make beautiful projects from the recycled ring pulls from canned drinks, shoes from the aeroplane tires and inner tube from truck tires, and all sorts of different recycled mediums, which the community here understand because they predominantly work in waste and recycle waste. The needs of the community frequently outstrip our resources. We are making choices between who is the most needy, and your support is most needed. If you would like to contact me, please do. My email address will be at the end of this video. And thank you so much for listening.